Hi guys, Spud Bros here, and today I'm showing you my sledgehammer. It is basically a bottle full of stones, or just to about here, so I can flip it on its side like this, so the stones would go down. Shoved a big, I reckon it's like a 1.5 by 1.5 square hole. Don't know who they are. And made of wood. Now there's two ways then it's just sellotape all the way around and then duct tape all the way around. There's two ways you can use it. You can use it as the main purpose, as a sledgehammer. Actually, this wasn't the main purpose. The idea was for me to actually make a YouTube video of making a sword and using a bottle as the handle. Putting stones in it to make it so you can use it better, but it doesn't really work like that. It didn't work too well for that. So I actually decided, not halfway through making it, but before I started to make it, when I was thinking about how I'm going to do it, I thought, I know, let's make a sledgehammer. So I got it, put a bottle on it, strong. The bottle bends here every time you hit something, and it has. This is the second time I've made it. The first time I made it, the stick popped out. But look, see, I've got a little football here. Right, and I chuck it up in the air and see if I can hit it. Because if you hit something like this, it doesn't really work too well. So that's what I expected. Bottle playing off. Exactly what I expected to happen. Let me see if I can wedge this back in there. Oh, I might actually be able to. There we go. Good as new. Not good as new. Let's make the hole up again. Big gap. Wrap this up. Stick it in. And then sort of make sure it's in there good. Make sure it's all down, but yeah, it does work. It won't save your life. No chance. I've just got a few drops of rain, so my scheduling for YouTube might suddenly go down because this is my first regular uploading streak for a week. Oh, burn! Kill it! I probably could have flung this. That bottle would have come off and hit it. That's the point of it. I mean, you can just hold it by this part and then but it's nowhere near as cool as this. See, it came off again. I need to get some more duct tape on this. Probably just go anyway. Repair time. Got this thin roll of Gorilla Tape. Let's just peel this up. Oh, this is tough. There we go. Right, if I just get a good... I prefer the black duct tape compared to grey. I think grey looks a bit weird. I like a black finish. That sounds a little bit racist. Yeah. I'm making a YouTube video, by the way, so that Maddie's just asking me something, yeah?
I'll tell you later after your YouTube.
Okay. Okay. I'm just putting a good water on this. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm showing them my sledgehammer. I made this earlier.
He made it at his nan's when he did a YouTube video earlier for his 1,000 views.
Yep, and then after that I went outside and made this. I said, huh? I normally do lots of YouTube videos at once and then don't do any. There's Maddie. Oh, I can't break it. There we go. We got it off. There we go. Got a nice black handle. I'm actually going to make a bit of a handle for it. This is really hard to break. Yeah, what's wrong?
I didn't know I was going to use it.
Break the stupid tape. Handy knife. Right. Stupid duct tape that's really strong. There we go. Right, now if I my handy dandy knife. You'll see this one. You won't see it in the video. I'll probably show it, but there you go. One sec, guys. Mine took hold for a minute.
Comment down below if you copied this idea. There you go.
People coming in again.
I said comment down below if you've made one of them.
Yeah, if you ever make one of my designs. But see, I've just made a bit more so you can grip it here.
Wow.
So yeah, I just use standard duct tape and then Gorilla Tape's just like 10 times as strong. Or you could use T-Rex tape, it's the British version of Gorilla Tape. I mean, I know I'm running them, but it is raining. Damn it. But Gorilla Tape's US bestseller. T-Rex tape is British bestseller. But they're the same thing. I just prefer Gorillas because I can call it Harambe tape. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.